How to change password on Gmail account on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change password on Gmail account on Android phone. First then open Gmail, and now all you need to do is just click here in the top corner on your profile, and then click this one, Google account, and scroll here until you find security, and here we'll find it, password. Just click on it, and here just type your account password and then click next. And now you can type here new password, and just type any password you want and then click change password, and that's it. It's easy. That's how to change your password on Gmail account, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.